Hello, welcome to this training session. So in this series, I'll be teaching you how to program in Python. Some of the questions that might arise would include, why should you learn how to program in Python? Well, the common reason why you would want to program in Python includes solving problems. There are several problems that require systems to be automated. These may include searching of files in your system, carrying out computations and calculations, you being able to send email messages to your friends. You might want to do that automatically. You can write Python programs to create reminders that will remind you of some activities. For instance, you might want to remind yourself that you have a meeting. You can write a program for that. You can write a reminder program to tell you of your birthdays, your family celebrations, wedding anniversaries, and several other reasons. Another reason why you would want to learn how to program in Python is to get employment. So there are so many tech companies that exist now, and they use Python programming language to solve several difficult tasks. And if you get equipped with the skills of programming in Python, then you avail yourself the opportunity of being employed by some of these big tech companies. So right now we're going to head over to the python.org website and download Python so that we can get it installed in our system. So I head over to my Internet Explorer web browser, and I go to python.org/downloads. And once you get to this website, you would be redirected to the place where you can download the Python application. So right now I'm on a Windows machine, and I have the option to download the Windows version of Python IDE. So if you're on Linux or on Mac OS, the likelihood that this website will also direct you to automatically download their own version is very much high, because this site dictates the operating system that is running on your machine. So I'll just click on download, and I'll get started downloading this IDE. Alright, so I'll click on download and I'll save. So you decide which Python version you want to use. Are you downloading version 3 or version 2? People are shifting away from Python 2, so it's important to just go directly to Python 3 and download. So here I have it asking me, should I run or should I save? So I'll just click on save and get started with the download. So we're going to go to the folder and get it installed. So let me do this, and I'll go to my download folder. So right now I'm in my download folder, and as you can see, I've downloaded Python IDE multiple times. This is the last one I just downloaded, Python 3.8.3. So to install it, you just double click on it and it will get started. I already have Python installed in my system. So you have to click install launcher for all users and also add Python 3.8 to path. So once you do this, you click on install, and then your Python starts getting installed into your system. So let's just wait some minutes and see it get installed in our system. So as you can see, it's making changes to my system, and we're making progress. So I will wait for Python to finish getting installed. I will go ahead and create a folder on my desktop, and I'll call it Python Alright, I have this folder on my desktop. We'll be saving most of our files inside this. So our installation is almost completed. So Python is successfully installed in our system. So we can now just go to the Windows prompts and type in cmd, and it will lead us to our command prompts. We just click and open our command prompts. So here I'll just type Python to verify that Python was fully installed. So you can see we have the Python prompt showing that it has been installed in our system. So once Python is installed in your system, you can print your first Hello World program from this command prompt. So I'll just type print Hello World, and when I press enter, you see that it's displayed Hello World. So congratulations, you've been able to successfully install your Python IDE. So when you install Python IDE, usually it comes with a custom editor. So, and that custom editor is called idle. So go back to your Windows prompts and type idle, and you have it showing up here. So you just click on it and get it opened. It's similar to the command prompt, but this time around it offers you the feature of being able to save files. So I'll just print Hello World again, and you see this time around it gives you tool tips. It gives you some information about the function you've just entered. The print statement is a function that allows you to display text to the prompts or to the command line. So I'll just type Hello World again, and once I press enter, it runs and displays Hello World. Sorry, that was not rightly spelled. Hello World. So what you observe from what we've just done is that the computer is a machine that only accepts what you give to it and gives it back to you. So as you can see here, I mistakenly typed Hello World, and I omitted the D, the last D, and when I clicked on enter, you see that it displayed Hello World, and in the second one, when I added the D, it displayed the complete pronunciation, complete word of the text I intended to type. So you will be experiencing such mistakes when you start programming in Python and other languages. Alright, so let's head over to File and click on New File, and the idle offers you the opportunity to be able to type in a document and save it so that it can be reused time and time again. So I'll just type print. Yeah, you can use single quotes or double quotes, Hello World, and I will now click on save. I'll just go to File, Save. I will head over to my desktop and save it into that folder we've created. So I'll just go to my desktop, and inside this folder I'll call it hello. I can call it hello world.py, and I'll click on save. So right now I have the file saved. I can run that program from this idle here. I just come to run and click on this, and once I do, you see it brings us back to the first idle prompt and displays the code we've written. So it shows us the path also where our program is being stored. You see that the path here starts from C, users, my system name, the desktop, and then the Python folder where I've created that I'm saving my documents, and then the name of the file we've created. The .py is an extension name which tells the compiler that this is a Python file. So usually so many different documents exist in your system. You have the Word documents that ends with .doc. You have Excel sheets that ends with the .excel. So you have the PDF documents that end with .pdf. So in the case of Python, the extension name is .py, and whenever the system sees this .py, it identifies it as a Python file. So we can close this file and run that program again. If we want to run this program from the command prompt, we can close this. So I'll just type exit here, and it will leave the Python shell. I want to run the program that is inside this Python basics. So how do I get there? I'll just say, let me say dir. Dir will list all the directories we have on the system. So I want to go from the user to the desktop. So I'll just say cd desktop. I'm on my desktop now. If I do dir again, I will see the files I have on my desktop. So on my desktop, I have Python basics file, I have the Atom link, I have Rufus, and these are the directories I have here. So I want to log into Python basics folder. So I'll just type cd Python basics. And right now I'm inside Python basics. If I do dir again, I'll see the hello world file. So from here I can run this file. I can just type Python hello underscore world.py, and when I press enter, the compiler notices that this is a Python file and it executes the line of code that is inside the file. So congratulations, you've been able to install Python and also run your first Python Hello World program.